Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove the Temu app from your iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First of all, make sure that your mobile device is updated to the latest version available. This will ensure that you have access to the latest features and bug fixes. After that, tap and hold the home screen of your device. You will see that all of the apps have started shaking, indicating that you can now move or delete them. Simply tap on the minus icon above the Temu app and select Delete App from the menu that appears. If for some reason you can't seem to delete the app this way, then there is another method you can try. For that, open the Settings app and search for Storage in the search bar at top, or go to General tab and access iPhone Storage tab. Once you find the storage settings, scroll down and look for the Temu app. Access it by tapping on it and then tap on the Delete App button to remove it from your device. Keep in mind that deleting the Temu app will also remove any data associated with it, such as your login information, purchases, or any content you may have downloaded. So that's basically how you can install incompatible apps on Android. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.